to question 18. So the diagram represents a solid cone, and the cone has a base diameter of 20 and a slant height of 25. The circle is drawn around the surface of the cone at a slant height of 10 above the base, and the curved surface of the cone above the circle is painted grey. Work out the area of the curved surface of the cone that is not painted grey and give your answer as a multiple of pi. You must show you're working. Right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to work out, we have to work out what is that. So, in order to find the curved surface of the area of all the cone, we could just do, so all cone would equal, what is it? Curved surface is equals pi RL. Okay, so we can do that quite easily. So pi times 10 times 25 means that the whole cone is 250 pi. But that's not what we need to know. And are we trying to work out, I have a slight question as to whether we have to do the actual circle underneath. But anyway, so now proportionately, we need to find out, this is 20, and this is, so this is 15. Okay, so to get from 15 or 25 to 15, you have to divide by, so 25 divided by 15 equals 5/3. So you have to, or even, hold on, 25, so 15 times 5/3 equals 25, yeah. So that means you're dividing by 5/3. So in order to find out what this is, we've got to take 20 and we've got to divide it by 5/3, which is not going to be as nice a number, I don't think. 20 divided by 5/3 equals 12. Oh, that's a perfectly lovely number. I don't know quite what's wrong with my brain. So that means the whole thing for that is 12. Okay. Am I trying to find out the curve that is not painted grey? Okay, so I'm going to have to take that away. So now all we need to do is we go pi times 6 times 15 equals, and we've got a calculator so we can do that. So 6 times 15 equals 90, so that's 90 pi. So that means that the area that isn't painted grey, that bit there, as it goes round, is going to be 250 pi minus 90 pi. So that's 250 pi minus 90 pi, which is 140 pi. No, it's not, it's 160 pi. There you go. Right. The hot air balloon is descending. The height of the balloon is n minutes after it starts to descend is hn meters. The height of the balloon n+1 meters after it started to descend is n+1 meters. It's given by this. K is a constant. The balloon starts to descend from a height of 1200 meters at 9:15. At 9:16 it's a 1040. Work out the height of the balloon at 9:18. So that means that so the second bit, 1040, equals k times 1 to 100 plus 20. Because we just filled in, that's the first minute, or that's minute 0. This is minute 1. And now we'll just do that. So 1040 minus 20 equals k times 1200. And that is 1020 equals k, and I'll just put 1200 under that. So k equals 1020 over 1200 equals, so this is just so k equals 17 over 20. Now if we rewrite this out again, we would write h of n plus 1 equals 17 over 20, and at this stage we can now take 1040 plus 20, and that will take us, so if we use this one, now what we can do is we could put in 1040 and make that our answer equals, and then we can do this. So now we go 17 over 20, then we go times answer, and then we go, and then let's put that into brackets just in case I haven't completely explained this properly to the system. And then we say plus 20. And that will give us 904 for at 917. And at 918 it equals 788, or rather 788 meters plus 0.4.